Bike Hype presents the brand new BMW S 1000R, so let's talk about the insane performance. This thing is a beast on two wheels. We're talking a top speed that will blow your hair back. We're looking at over 200 kilometers per hour, which is roughly 124 miles per hour. And how fast can you get to that speed? Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Suspension: the BMW S 1000RR has a sweet aluminum swing arm in the back that you can adjust to your liking. Riding modes: no matter the conditions, you're covered. This bike comes with rain, road, dynamic, and even dynamic pro mode, so you can customize your ride for anything the road throws at you. Safety features: staying safe is key. This bike features a full-color 6.5-inch TFT display and BMW Motorrad connectivity with navigation and media. Plus, the LED lighting package keeps you visible both day and night. For comfort, the seat height is adjustable at 840 millimeters, and you've got your choice of a bunch of additional equipment to make those long rides a breeze, including an adjustable windshield, hand guards, a luggage rack, heated grips, and even a center stand. Weight: the dry weight comes in at 223 kilograms, so it's not the lightest bike out there, but all that power and tech has got to weigh something, right? This machine comes in 3 stunning colors, and with a width of 940 millimeters and a height of 1,400 millimeters, it's a head-turner for sure. Overall, the BMW S 1000RR is a phenomenal machine built for performance and packed with features. This machine comes in 3 stunning colors. If you're looking for a superbike that will leave you speechless, this could be the one.